Hello guys, welcome to the info channel. This is me Ranga from closedcareer.com. Today in this video, I want to share the security officer job in United Arab Emirates. Job level, management and supervisory, schedule full-time, shift normal, company Petrochemicals Middle East. The qualification for this position are minimum higher secondary or above, knowledge of Microsoft Excel, Word, and Microsoft Outlook, minimum 5-year industrial experience in a related role, should abide by terminal safety standard, aware of hazardous materials with flammable chemicals, flexibility and punctuality, proficient in Hindi, English, read, write, and speak. If you meet this criteria, so you can apply for these positions. So how can you apply for? To apply for these positions, you can follow the link on the video description box. Okay, I have provided a link on the video description box. Just click that link and you will be redirect to the job page. Okay, from there also you can apply this. Or if you want to apply for this position directly, so you can apply through the company website. Okay, just click Petrochemical Middle East and go to the career section. When you find any available job over there, so you can apply on their company website. And if you apply on the company website, nobody will scam to you, because I know this is a real company, not a fake company posting a job online. See you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel because you will not miss any video in future. See you.